Right, so I'm going to get the rest of this ripped out. I'm going to rip all the side things off, get the carpet pulled up, all that type of stuff. I'm going to get everything ripped out now, and I'm going to get started with the insulation. Grind these things off here so it all sits flat. I'll fill these holes about, and then we're about ready. Another thing, I'm not bothering with sound deadening. I might be right, I might be wrong, we all make mistakes, but it's already got some here anyway, right, and on the other side, and there's a little bit already on the floor. Now to me, I've drove wagons, trucks, vans all my life, right? Sound of road noise doesn't bother me at all. How much road noise are you going to get in a VW Caddy? For God's sake, come on, please. Like, if it was a long wheelbase Sprinter, a big van, fair enough. Put sound on them, you know, for the rattle, for the vibrations. But for this, in essence, it's just a big estate car. That's all it is. So I'm thinking there's enough. Like, I've seen people putting sound deadening all over the roof, saying like for the rain, for the wind, for the noise of things. Listen, if you want to live in a soundproof box with all windows blacked out and everything else, you may as well be laid on the couch watching the television. To me, I'm not bothered. I want to hear the rain. I want to hear the noises. I want to hear things. That's what I'm doing it for. I'd lie in the house on the couch if I don't want to hear that. And the sound of road noise, please, come on. I'll just turn the radio up if it bothers us that much. So, I'm not bothered. So I'm not going sound deadening, but people could say in the comments I'm wrong, I'm right, I don't know, but I'm not sound deadening. I've got some of that Dodo insulation stuff, which I'll show you in a minute. That's going down. I'm sure it says that's a little bit sound deadening anyway. That'll do me. I'm not bothered about a bit of road noise. Right, so I'm going to get on now, do what I've said. Right, I've got this Dodo thermal liner, this insulation stuff here. It was a roll my brother had left off down his house. Anyway, I'm going to ram this stuff into them gaps and that there, into this side, and then I'm going to get that Dodo liner stuff, and I'm going to put that all over the floors, all over the sides. Now this here, what works me lights, I'm going to keep that, and I'm going to run that under to the other side, and that'll fit in over there into a control panel which I'll put on the edge of the cabinet, which will be behind the seat. At the front here where this carpet is, down there, I'm a little bit stuck, and I'm going to have to ask someone what to do. I don't know what to do here, because I want the bed's going to come to around about here, but then I want it to come all out a wood. I need obviously a wood frame put in there to come up the side of this chair to around here, so the bed will go like an L. So I'm just going to get all the rest of the insulation done, and I will stop at that point once I've got as far as I can go, because I'm going to have to ask my friend for a bit of advice how to do that and further on. But once I've getting this done and getting all the floor in, I think that'll be enough to fit today anyway. Took the bark off. Like, you watch this stuff on YouTube, people make it look so easy. For someone who can't even knock a nail in, it's not as easy as you think, like. But we'll crack on, get this done, and I'll speak to you at the end once I'm finished. I'm done for the day. I've gotten all this side done, all the floor. That's your bed. So my bed is going up here and out to, it's a small L shape, out to the seat. My cabinets are here. I haven't finished that because I've got to fill these holes still. Done these ones, haven't done them, so I've just left that for now. I've got my bed which will be here, which I'll pull out, and I've got my drawer which will come to the back, which I wanted. And from the front here, and then I'll have my drawer which I'll pull out from this side as well. So I'll have a drawer going out from the back and a drawer going out from the side. The side now. I'll lift the seat up. Seat up. Bear in mind, I'll take this seat out when I'm going away on my own. That's your entrance in. This goes off in an angle for your cabinets there, where I'll have my sink at the end, and I think that's alright. I think that'll do me. I definitely think that's alright.